Anyong is hello.
Yeah, hello.
Where in Korea? Where in Korea are you from?
I live in Seoul.
Seoul?
Yeah.
Wow, it's a nice place. I hope we can also visit there.
Davao del Seoul.
Oh, Davao.
Yeah, Davao del Seoul.
Okay.
Oh, Davao del Seoul.
So from Davao to North Fairview,
Yeah, then here.
and here, going everywhere.
Yeah, everywhere. Yeah.
Do you have friends here?
Yeah, I have a Filipino friend here. Filipino
Did they encourage you to come here? Did they encourage
Yeah. Yeah, my Filipino friend. Also Korean friend. But we have a Korea community here.
Okay, yes.
학생이에요? You student?
No.
No? You working? Oh, you
Working.